People keep saying AI can do everything now. It can write, it can code, talk, translate, even replace humans someday. But the truth is, behind every so-called smart AI, there are thousands of humans behind it, making it smart. Because AI doesn't really suck. Hey everyone, I'm Grace. Welcome to the very first episode of Road to Real, a series from TechFlow from LTS GDS team. Today we're chatting with Mr. Kang, who is an expert in annotation. He's been working in the AI coding domain. Welcome.
Yeah, hi Grace, hi everyone. I am Kang. I'm specialist in automation develop, and also like Grace says, I'm also involved in AI training, or even is also a annotator. So nice to be here.
It's nice having you here. So let's talk about your field. People have always seen AI like a miracle, but you are the one who see what actually takes to make it work.
Yeah, a miracle they said, but the AI can work. It can solve your task. Well, yeah, it is a miracle in a sense, but deep down, it is us human who need to provide the information, the data to change them, to become better.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I want you here today to talk about things that people haven't thought about before, that people never know what is actually behind the scenes. So let's start simple. What is AI really? Because lately I have searched on the internet, like the AI investment in 2025 had reached nearly 1.5 trillion globally, and such a fortune like that have poured into something that people might not fully understand.
Yeah, 1.5 trillion is a huge amount of money to invest in AI, and it bears fruit. Yeah, it gives us a ChatGPT, Gemini, or multiple AI agent, AI model. But in reality, human make mistakes that AI can replace a job, can replace everything human does, like Javid achieved the truth from famous film. But in reality, the AI is quite dumb. They need to train.
They need to be trained, and people don't see that side. They just see ChatGPT and like Copilot and just think, wow, it just works. But there's huge invisible workforce behind it, right?
Yeah, correct. It works. Yeah, it works in a sense. The ChatGPT can answer your almost every daily question, and even thought some of the question they answer may contain they might be confident to answer that, but in reality it is not real. We call that an hallucination. It's the big problem of the AI. And another challenge is the way the AI interpret our instruction, because they do not understand the emotion, the tone, and everything from human. Sometimes they cannot understand the meaning behind the word. For example, if we say something is a masterpiece, in success, okay, it is praise, okay. But in case of failure, it becomes a sarcasm.
Hallucination and sarcasm. This is such a headache with us who building AI models and also all the innovators out there. So we have seen OpenAI and Meta, DeepSeek all in the race to the top. But what do you think is the most important thing to make it work?
Yeah, the most important thing for the AI model to work on is data. We need to provide enough information, data, in order to train them, because it's process of training. At the first, the AI model will not understand anything at all. Like it's like raising a baby or children. They do not understand anything we said, do not understand the action we take on. But if the data, the information we provide to them, give it to them every daily life, they will become better, right? That is the same case for the AI. AI will learn from the information, such as, for example, the generative AI. For example, if you know about the way AI generates the image, video, something like that, we need to provide them what is the head, where is the hand, where is the tree, everything, so they can generate it for us. So if not, it will be kind of misleading. The head will be messed up and becomes food, and I do not imagine this. But I want to highlight is why AI become famous. It because it can learn faster than human.
For memories, AI beats human. But for like thinking out the box, human actually better than them.
Correct.
So let's imagine someone starting an AI project today. They got funding, a research, a team, but what do they really need to get right before expect anything to work?
They need to answer the biggest question about what model, what is the purpose of the AI they want to build on. If not, it will become a failure. Even if, like you said, $1.5 trillion, it will become meaningless.
Yes.
And for me, I think is after we decide the purpose on, you need to decide which type of data will be the best for the AI model to learn on and to work on. And for the team, I think the best way is to break it down to 3 to 4 teams. From the first team is the one who take care of the logic, the algorithm, the core of the AI. The second team is the one who take care of collect data for the annotator team to train on. The annotator team in here I mentioned is the third team. They play an important role. They need to, I don't want to say that word, but they maybe tend to be a perfectionist. They need to identify correct criteria for the AI to work on, correct information. If not, the AI will be hallucination and kind of make lie of it, and we don't want to do that. And the fourth team will be the quality team. They will be the one who takes corresponding responsibility in verify the data provided by the annotator team. And also testing the output. So the most important part about this part is data, purpose of AI, and like I said, data. I said again, this is data.
Yes. So it sounds like you have been a thick of it. So could you give us a pic of your own project, like something that shows all things works in practice?
Sure. About one of my projects, I will summarize a little bit of it. It is about we create an AI model about generate the solution for instruction on the code. So the client will give us multiple tasks related to the multiple code programming, code language programming. So we need to identify the solution is work accordingly to the instruction of the AI. So for this part, the biggest challenge is the way the reviewer interpret the instruction and also the solution. Because each one of us have a different way to understand a sentence or paragraph. So we break down. The annotator is fine. Okay, they are working. They need to a way to verify if they are working correctly. So in this role, we break down is a creator. The create team need to consist of 2 layers. The first layer is one who responsibility to verify the data annotator gives them, that goes that I mentioned. And also the second team is the one who cross-check against the first team. If the data pass the first gray layer, but that's not pass in the second layer, the first layer need to rework on them. So so For this flow, we maximize the quality over the quantity, and the client very happy about it. All thought,
that is the best news, right?
Yeah, all thought at first they were quite sad about the deadline, the speed. But with enough of the information that we update the guideline to train the new member and also the old member to follow the best practice, they become better and better, and also we ensure that quality is best.
Yeah, and it also speed up the
process.
The process, yeah.
So the key takeaway is a criteria and the perfectionist data, also and the second QA layer.
So I love that clear criteria, QA layers, and also the guidelines.
Yeah,
that is so humans, right? So I think the question isn't how smart is AI, but how the team and the system works around it.
Correct. The team should be like understand each other's best. They need to follow the guideline and all the things that we provide to them for the best, to produce the best of the best of the data give to the AI.
So those kind of like make ChatGPT or some AI models look so effortlessly. And thank you for joining me today and for joining this podcast to share with everyone about the behind the scenes process.
Yeah, thank you for that time, sir.
Okay. So that is what this podcast is about. AI goes from raw idea to real impact. But at the end, there's always discipline, teamwork, and human intelligence. We will keep peeling back layers of how AI actually works, one story at a time. See you in the next episode.